Hi, I'm Marco from Better Barista, and today, what a treat we have. It's an unboxing video and it's the new Slayer Steam single. So here we go, first time in the showroom at Better Barista, this new lovely machine. Behold. There we go. We'll go through just briefly this beautiful new dual boiler machine, its accessories and bits in this video, and hopefully we'll have a comparison and a review of it in a couple of weeks' time. Okay, while I have it here with me, these are the accessories. Bottomless handle here. Looks like a double basket, competition style. That's probably a bung for the reservoir tank, your blanking disc, and some cleaning, Slayer branded cleaning detergent. You're probably going to need a milk pitcher and a tamper with this machine. So the accessories are quite on the limited side, but I guess it's because they just treat this as a commercial machine, which it is, commercial build quality, but obviously awesome for the home. And then with the way this box works, you take this side off, again, these clips. And I believe this then comes out. There we go. Revealing the drip tray. Nice. Beautiful steel panels, the Slayer emblem at the back, the lovely swept arch. Does one not coming off? These are just like spacer packaging, just to hold it in place. Yeah. There you can see the reservoir tank, which is a great additional feature on this single group Slayer machine, because its predecessor doesn't have one. So this is great for domestic use, to the fact that you've got a reservoir tank there, and it's a low loader as well, which is really nice rather than at the top. Okay, first of all, I really love this packaging, and also the feet are actually inset. They're actually cut into the wood, so this machine is not going anywhere during transit. So yeah, I really like how easy the panels came off. You've got these packaging bits of cardboard either side to also keep it in place. Wonderful packaging for a machine of this calibre. While we're here, I'll do a quick tail of the tape. So we've got a height of approximately 36 centimetres, give or take. It doesn't have the drip tray on at the moment, so I'll just do the height and the width. But we'll do a little bit more of a better tail of the tape when it's sitting on the counter, and you're looking at approximately 42.5 centimetres in width. Find out what the weight is soon enough as well. Okay, so we just put it on this counter, and I'm going to continue with the tail of the tape again. The feet are adjustable, which is really good, and they sit at a really low profile as well. So it's good from a height point of view. And I would say the top part is probably going to be the highest point at the paddle, 36.5 almost. And at the back of the sail is 36.1, 0.2 approximately. So 36.5 centimetres in height. Again, we'll do the width. That hasn't changed, 42.5. It might be slightly wider at the base. Let me have a quick look. Yeah, 43.2 at the base, roughly. And we'll put this lovely kind of three-piece strip tray on. So I can't wait to peel this off. This is going to reveal like the classic Slayer, you know, shot mirror. You've also got a nice little inset here for a set of scales. So you can reverse this as well, flip it the other way to sit your scales on, or a taller cup. But if you want it this way, you've got the option to as well. And there we go. It's actually quite a huge capacity, actually, I would say. Yeah, here we go. So if you pop it around the other way like this, you can sit your scales or your tall cup on that way. So that's quite a clever feature. Okay, so I'll just put this in. Obviously this is for like the OPV valve. It will go into the drip tray there. But just to give that final measurement, we are looking at roughly 50, or it's close, it's about 54 centimeters. So it will fit on a standard worktop at home. This worktop is 59 centimeters. And if I push this to the back, there you are. So you've got approximately 6 centimeters there of room at the front. So this is going to be kind of like a most conventional worktops at home in a kitchen. So it will be able to fit on a standard worktop. Another feature, well, there's loads of features of this Slayer, and I can't wait to go through them in a few weeks' time. And look out for that video on our YouTube channel when we do it. But just quickly, you've got solenoid, electronic steam and hot water. This can program a certain amount of volume of hot water. I know this because I used this at the Manchester Coffee Festival last year. And then you've got a manual hot water option as well, but it's controlled by magnets, which is fantastic. And just revealing here, this is, I think, the biggest feature with this single group Slayer, the fact that you've got an actual reservoir tank now, rather than just the plumbing option. And you can easily take this out and wash it in your sink. And the fact that it's low loading, it means you don't have to be topping up from the top of a machine, and that's just really practical for home use as well. Look at the thickness of the steel on these side plates here. You can tell it's got a real commercial heritage, the Slayer machines. And while we're here, this is probably the biggest feature, and it's a little bit of a reveal that I probably don't want to do, but hey, why not? So this is like your stage 1, your pre-infusion, and then your stage 2, which is like your full 9-bar rotary pump dual boiler machine. But however, with this machine, if you love this amazing shot that you make, it's rather manual, you can save it and make it an automatic program shot the next time around. So you've got that ability to save a shot and recreate it. So reservoir tank, the ability to recreate your favourite profile, are two real winning features of this new machine. Okay, I've got to show you a sneak peek inside the machine to just show you the commercial build quality of it. Here you go. It was 6 screws to get the top piece off, but there you are. Very similar to the Steam commercial machine range that they have, but this is obviously the single group version, but very much the same build quality inside as their two group Steam series. So that was a sneak peek of the Slayer Steam single. As you can see inside, beautifully made. Really refined commercial build quality, flow meter, which we'll go into more detail, but behold the beautiful machine with all the bits peeled off now. And this is now in the Bella Brista showroom, so you can come here, visit us, you can see this machine, you can pull a shot of coffee from it, and we are the premium retailer in the UK for Slayer machines. We offer the service and support as well. It's also backed by the fabulous Chimbali company in the UK. And any questions you have on this machine, I'll be delighted to have an excuse to find out even more. So stay tuned for the big reveal and full detail, full review in a few weeks' time. Cheers.